Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to wire up a fire alarm pole station to its own actual fire alarm. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you see these wires. Now normally okay, let me get this right. So 4 and 3, so number 4 and number 3 are positive, and usually 2 and 1 are negative. So which we're going to do is you're actually going to unscrew these screws. And basically, after you're done unscrewing these screws and put the wires in, you unscrew them in. You screw them in, sorry. So as you see 4 and 3 here. So number 4 should be right over here. This is actually being cool. And then you're actually going to insert the screw here. And now next, so pretend this one's for the speaker strobe. And next, the red wire should be on number 3. So the red wire is number 3. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this. And now you're gonna simply what you're gonna do is just screw it in the screw terminal. You screw in the wire. Squeeze it really hard, and boom. Now you have 2 positive wires here. Now move on to negative. No, we move on to 2 and 1. So number 2 and 1 are the negatives. So what we're going to do actually is get this black wire and also another black wire which we have here. You make sure to put in the black wire, should be on number 2. Put it in correctly. So let me go ahead and screw this in. Okay guys, so as you can see I have a black wire and this white wire which connects to 3 and 2. So these are really thick wires. The black one and the white one. And now number 3 is the red wire. So the red wire needs to go through the speaker strobe. So these 2 wires go through this alarm here. And now these 2 wires, the black and white wires, now normally they're coming from the batteries. So which we're gonna do is gonna rotate the alarm over. And now second of all, we're going ahead to unscrew one screw. And now what you're gonna do is just push in like this. And now you go ahead and screw in the screw. And now we're gonna wire up the speaker too. Okay, so as you can see, I connected to my simplex 4L6 9151 True Alert Smart Sync speaker strobe to my simplex 2099-9103 brake glass pull station. So as you can see, this one does not even have glass on it. That's really cool. So let's go ahead and activate the alarm. 3, 2, 1.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported.
Okay, so as you can see, I already silenced the speaker. Now let's go ahead and turn off the strobe. So as you can see, this fire alarm does audible silence with its strobe here. It does slow flash, which you guys don't like. So let me go ahead and reset this. So pretend there is no fire in the building. And then reset it. And close it. Really cool. Alright, let me go ahead and test another one again since I just want to try to make sure what it is. Okay, let's do it again.
Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry floor or main lobby. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Do not use the elevator. Walk to the nearest stairway. Attention, attention, attention. An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest stairway exit and walk down to your assigned re-entry.
Okay. Now we'll go ahead and reset the pull station even though that I played it much. So let's go ahead. So as you can see, the fire alarm once again does audible silence. Find the key. There it is. And then reset the pull station. Okay. Okay, so that is a review. That is how to wire up a fire alarm to a speaker strobe. A fire alarm speaker strobe. Thank you guys for watching.